This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alexandra Jans. Great opportunity for a second home or an investment. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo has a split-bedroom floor plan and hurricane-resistant windows in highest quality, installed immediately after Irma for $26,000. AC is 6 years old, water heater 3 years. Tiles all over the condo and it is sold turnkey, so ready to move in or to continue renting it out. There are leases in place from November 2021 until April of 2022. That means that the first rental income is already secured. This condo is located on the 17th floor with a gorgeous view and far away from the elevator's noise. Freshly remodeled lobby, assigned covered parking and additional storage round up the amenities such as pool, fitness room and direct, private beach access. Low fees and low maintenance due to the energy-efficient windows. For more information, review the details below or contact Alexandra Jans at 239-659-2444.